up all you beautiful people? I love highlighters and today I'm going to create a homemade highlighter. It will give you that excellent blinding highlighting that we all love. So let's get into the video. So I've taken here this coconut oil. This is a virgin coconut oil. You could use any coconut oil. I have here 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm not using any pigments. This is a very old eyeshadow and I'm going to use most of it in the highlight. And this has broken, so I have some of the pigment inside the box. I'm going to take that out. I have lavender essential oil here just because I love the smell of lavender. And I also have some aloe vera gel. You can use a serum, a market made serum, or this is an aloe vera gel that I am using. And this is an empty container in which I'm going to store this. And here is a paper to crush the pigment from the eyeshadow, and let's begin. First of all, I'm going to add 1 spoon of coconut oil into this container. So I'm going to open this. I'm just going to eyeball this. That looks like a spoon of coconut oil to me. Some aloe vera gel in this. I'm using this spoon for the aloe vera gel. We have this mixture here. I'm going to close it. I'm going to test it. This looks an okay cream-based consistency to me. I'm going to take a paper, and here are my pigments. So I'm taking, this is a Maybelline palette. I'm going to scrape off the pigment of this palette. All the dust. Take the pigment and add it to the mixture that we have prepared already. And once you're done, close the lid and shake it again. Once it's done, we'll test it. On the inside of my wrist, so you can see it better. But see this is how shiny it is. And it will soak in your skin, and sometime only the sheen will remain, as it's all glitter. There, you have your own personal highlighter. You used your old eyeshadows and you created something new. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.